Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the online video session of Al Iman Education System. I am your computer teacher Rabia Mahmood. Our first chapter is Introduction to Computers. In this video, we will study what a computer is and what are the hardware and software devices of a computer. Let's start with the introduction to computer. Computer is simply a problem-solving machine. It accepts data, stores it, performs certain operations on it, and produces the results of each operation with accuracy, reliability, and at a very high speed, which means that computer makes our task easy for us. It provides us results with accuracy, which means lesser mistakes, reliability, and at a very high speed. Computer is the most remarkable development of 21st century. What a computer can do? Data processing. Here, this is a picture of a pizza making machine. From here you can see the clients are coming and providing input according to their requirements of pizza. In this portion, all the processing is happening according to the instruction given by the clients, and then clients are taking output from here. Similarly, in this picture, we can see that camera is taking input from here, and then computer is processing our data taken from the camera and generating output from here, this printer, accordingly. When a computer processes a data, it converts it into a information. Computer has bring revolution in almost every field of today's life, whether it is agriculture, space, health, research, personal life, education, office work, transport, industry, whatever. We may say that computer has become the need of every field of today's life. Now, a computer can be divided into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware are the physical parts of computers. Software is a set of instructions and associated documentation that tells the computer what to do or how to perform a task. Hardware is directed by the software to execute any command or instructions. A software is intangible element, which means you cannot touch them or hold them in your hands. We can simplify this definition here as the hardware and the software both are the very important component of a computer. We cannot work on a computer if any one of these components is missing. These are the common examples of hardware and software: CPU, monitor, pen drive, a DVD, printer, a keyboard, mouse, and for the software, Microsoft Excel, calculator, PowerPoint, Google Chrome. These are the very common examples. Another definition of software could be like a plan you make in your mind. Any instruction sent to your body from your brain, or any thinking or any idea within your brain, is also like a software. The instruction is there, we are working according to it, but we cannot see that. Similarly, a software send instruction to hardware, and the hardware work exactly according to the instructions of a software. That's all for the today's session. These are your homework questions. Please do them in your notebook. Give detailed answer to these questions. Define term computers. Define hardware and software. Make a Venn diagram of difference between software and hardware. These are the short questions. You need to provide short and brief answer for these questions. And these are the MCQs. Thank you and Jazakallah.